My obsession with Porsches began in 2000 when I saw the 911 at a car show. I took home a poster, put it on my wall, stared at it all throughout high school, and I told myself that one day I'd own a 911. In 2014, my dream came true. I purchased a 2010 911 Carrera S, and the driving experience was exhilarating. But the quiet exhaust left me wanting more. The obvious solution was to add a valved exhaust, but I couldn't get myself to pay the crazy prices companies were asking. So this inspired me to create the ECG Performance Valved Exhaust System. It's everything an enthusiast would want. It's beautiful and affordable. It's aggressive or spirited driving. Yet it's quiet when you want it to be. My vision extends beyond just performance. I wanted to create a system that could seamlessly integrate with the vehicle. We're releasing a module that allows you to easily retrofit the factory Porsche Sport Exhaust button to control the exhaust valves. ECG Performance is more than just an exhaust system. It's a symbol of passion and innovation. It's my tribute to the Porsche community to enhance every drive.